Hello, I'm Heidi from Dongguanshen Metal Limited Liability Company. Today I will introduce how laser engraving works. Let's go. First, we create a design using computer software. We then send this design to the laser engraving machine. The intense focus of the laser beam is necessary for accurate engraving. We move the laser over the material's surface following the pattern dedicated by the design. When the laser hits the material, it heats and vaporizes it at the point of contact. Many laser engravers has a cooling system to dissipate the heat generated by the laser, preventing damage to both the laser and the material. We can adjust the speed, power, and the frequency of the laser to suit the material and achieve the desired results. It's crucial to use proper safety methods, including eye protection and adequate ventilation. This is very important because the laser's high intensity can release harmful fumes for specific materials. That's all for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more sheet metal fabrication videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!